You may have seen or even been helped by this woman. She was a CTA security guard, but when she needed to get guns out of the hands of her abuser, no one helped her. China Mitchell was gunned down in January. CBS 2 is always investigating, and our Marissa Perlman uncovered how so few guns are being taken away at one of the most critical points for victims of domestic violence.
Olivia Foster's big brown eyes have seen a lot of darkness in her 4 years of life. Eyes the same as her mom's, China Mitchell. And even in that darkness, she's become a bright light to her grandparents.
She always with her. She looked just like her mama.
In January, China became one of the latest domestic violence victims shot and killed by her abuser. She was just 33 years old. Her funeral packed with people wearing purple ribbons for domestic violence awareness. China was a mom who loved her 3 children. Her friends called her the diva, always dressed up.
Yeah, this was one of her favorites.
Her mom can't seem to let go of it.
Rough around and go bowling or something.
China was a helpful person. Like, she helped everybody.
Pauline McQueen and China were raised like sisters.
I used to feel like, hold on. I'm good. When I used to feel like depressed or like sad, I used to call her.
So many lives ripped apart by a gun, an ex-boyfriend, and a system that makes it hard to get guns out of the hands of abusers.
When China said, Mama, I think he gonna catch me, he gonna try to kill me.
And why
When her relationship turned violent, China walked the same path as so many other survivors into a domestic violence courtroom to get an emergency order of protection. In October 2022, in this petition, China wrote her ex-boyfriend Louis Foster beat her and threatened her, saying, "I'm going to break your neck, bitch." She says he strangled her until she was unconscious. Olivia was in her mother's arms during some of the attack. "I was bleeding on the baby," China wrote. The judge gave her the protection order.
It didn't help her. Nothing helped her.
There's something else China tried to get the judge to do. In this petition, she asked for a warrant so police could take away Foster's guns. Look at these boxes she checked. Warning, Foster has a history of violence, is suicidal, and a threat to the public.
Did China ever tell you she was scared of him?
Yeah. She was scared in the sense like, oh, he can kill me. He might gonna kill me.
So what did the judge do? Nothing involving guns. We wanted to know why and got this transcript. It is everything that was said in court that day. There's not one mention of Foster's guns.
So it was worse, I think, than being denied. It was just ignored.
Benna Crawford from Legal Aid Chicago represents domestic violence survivors. We shared with her what else our investigation uncovered.
This as a critical piece, and for survivors that actually keep them safe.
Take a look at this. It's data we obtained of emergency protection orders in Cook County. Each case represents a person in immediate danger. In the last 10 years alone, nearly 112,000 emergency orders were granted. We can't tell you how many people asked for guns to be taken because we found no one tracks that. But here's what we got from the Cook County Circuit Court Clerk's office. Only 85 gun seizure warrants were granted. Just 85.
It's an inappropriately low number, but it isn't surprising to me.
But what may be surprising, judges decide whether abusers can keep their guns while blind to their criminal histories.
It's just not a position that we want judges to be in when they are making these life or death decisions.
And get this, the system makes survivors bring proof of their abuser's violent criminal history to court, a responsibility China likely didn't know she had. Foster was a felon who served time related to a gun charge and couldn't legally even own a gun.
As it turned out to be true, without the issuance of that, removing his firearms, she was likely to be seriously harmed or killed.
Police say it was here on January 15th where China saw Foster with a gun. She liked going to this pawn shop to buy and sell jewelry.
China ran around the cabinet, around the place to the bathroom. He caught China in the bathroom and shot her in the chest. And when she fell on the floor, he shot her again in the side of the head.
And you would think before he pulled that trigger, because I'm pretty sure China said, what about Olivia?
Louis Foster is Olivia's dad.
I'm pretending to be happy.
Just sad, kind of gloomy.
It's sad, but I'm pretending to be happy.
Kind of gloomy.
We met China's parents, Frankie Mitchell and Brenda Ferdinand, at their home on what would have been China's 34th birthday. They're now raising all 3 of China's young kids.
Because it seems like she never left. But it don't seem like she's going to come back either.
She was from God. She loved everybody.
And on this birthday, Olivia remembers her mom.
Happy birthday, Mama.
And later that night, more purple.
Happy birthday, China!
China, I love you and I miss you. I tell you good night every night. And I tell you good morning every morning. And I think you're looking over me because I'm doing the best I can with your children. I love you and I'll see you later, just not yet. But please save a seat for me.
Part of the challenge China faced is Illinois' murky law involving emergency protection orders. This is a really dangerous moment for victims, yet court sources say the law is unclear as to whether judges have the authority to take away guns at that point. Lawmakers have been sitting on a bill that could help fix this problem. It's called Karina's Bill. It's been stalled for more than a year in Springfield, named after a woman gunned down by an abuser. China's accused abuser, Louis Foster, pleaded not guilty to charges of murder and being an armed habitual offender. In the newsroom, Marissa Perlman, CBS 2 News.